Hello everyone, so today I am really excited to share with you how to make one page wall calendar design in Canva for year 2026, and I will also share with you how to get these calendar templates for absolutely free, and the instructions will follow shortly. So let's start with the design, and for this design I will choose the size as 1500 cross 2000. And first we need the calendar part, which means the months and the dates, and for that we need the template for that. And for this I have got a website which offers the templates for free, and as you can see I can just use this, just right click it and click on open link in new tab. And after scrolling down you will find the download full size option. So when you click on it, it gets downloaded, and now after that you come back to Canva and just upload the design of the calendar and just bring it here. Let's make it bigger. Let's keep it this way and just crop it till here. Okay, and after that just zoom the design, and here we will design the photo collage part. Okay, for that we will go to elements here and we will search here frames. Okay, and I will go to basic shapes and click on see all, and after that I will use this one which says hexagonal horizontal frame, which is free to use, and I will just bring it here and I will make it smaller, duplicate it and place it here and just zoom it, and I will just separate out a bit so that there is no joint design is happening here. So all the designs on the frames are separated, so that's why I will make a small gap here, and after that I will duplicate it again and I will place it here. Okay, so size we can just adjust it, but first let me make the design here. So I will select this two and just duplicate it again, just separate it out. Again duplicate it, place it here, and this time duplicate once, again duplicate here once. So this is the honeycomb design. Now I will select this part. Okay, click on Ctrl+A and click on Shift in the calendar part so that the calendar is not selected, and just move it upwards and just make it slightly smaller, and now just center it. Okay, and after that duplicate the calendar to use the 2026 part, and crop till the 2026 part. Okay, just unzoom the page so that we can work here accordingly, and just rotate it to -90 degrees. Okay, and just make it smaller and just paste it here where the middle of the page is coming here, and after that duplicate it, this time make +90 degrees and just keep it right here. Okay, so and now check for the gap in between them. So I will add the images later, but let me show you the second part, which is I will duplicate this page and I will remove this honeycomb design. And this time I will just go back here, and here I will write heart. Okay, and different types of heart designs are here, and I will use this one in the middle. Okay, and this one in the sides. So for that I will just make it smaller. And duplicate them and paste it again here. Okay, so these two designs are ready. Now let's make some image addition, but before that I will share how to get these two templates for absolutely free. And for that you have to subscribe to my YouTube channel and write in the comments 2026 will be my year, and this message is just for all of you so that you can make 2026 as your year. So please write it in the comments. And after that, this is my Instagram page. Please message me here for the template and I will share with you that template link. Yesterday I made this 2026 design and I have shared the template link with almost 40 people. So today I will also do the same if you follow the process. So let's make the collage part with the image, and for this I will be using some images of couples. So I will write here couple portrait happy. And in the photos I will click on see all. So I have made the photo collage templates ready with the photos, and this is the first design as you can see in here. And as I have said, I have used the couple portrait images, and next one also I have used the similar theme. Okay, so both the designs are done here. If you have any problem in designing any of this template or calendar, please feel free to just comment in this video and please ask your question accordingly so that I can help you and guide you with the correct process. Okay, and I am sharing with you the process how to get this template for free again. So please subscribe to the channel and comment in this video 2026 will be my year. And after that just come to my Instagram page. The link will be in the description, and just message me in this message panel for the template link, and both the template links will be shared with you. Thank you, and I will meet you with another new tutorial next day.